Think you've seen every plumbing tool? Think again. These 20 genius Amazon tools can save you time, money, and costly mistakes. Let's get started. ROTHENBERGER ROCAM Mini. Finding hidden pipe problems is effortless with the ROTHENBERGER ROCAM Mini. This compact inspection camera lets you see inside drains and pipes in real time, helping diagnose blockages, leaks, and damage without unnecessary demolition. Ideal for professional plumbers, it saves time, reduces guesswork, and delivers faster, more accurate plumbing inspections. Tube fittings, crimping tool. Need flawless copper pipe connections every time? The iCrimp IWISS-1632AF. Copper tube fittings. Crimping tool delivers secure, leak-free crimps with professional precision. Its heavy-duty construction and ergonomic design make installations faster, easier, and more reliable. Whether you're a pro plumber or a serious DIY ER, this tool is built to handle demanding jobs with confidence. PEX Crimping Tool Kit. Looking for a complete PEX plumbing solution? The iCrimp IWS-1807CN PEX Crimping Tool Kit includes everything you need for fast, secure, and leak-free installations. Built for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, it delivers precise crimps, reliable performance, and durable construction, making every plumbing project quicker, easier, and more efficient. KNIPEX DP50 Pipe Cutter. The KNIPEX DP50 Pipe Cutter is built for fast, clean, and precise cuts on plastic drain pipes without cracking or crushing the material. Its razor-sharp blade and ergonomic design delivers smooth, effortless performance every time. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY homeowner, this tool makes pipe installation quicker, cleaner, and far more accurate. Drain Auger Pro. The Drain Auger Pro is the ultimate solution for clearing stubborn drain clogs fast. Its flexible steel cable powers through hair, grease, soap buildup, and tough blockages with ease. Perfect for sinks, tubs, and shower drains, this professional-grade tool helps plumbers and DIY homeowners restore water flow quickly, without relying on harsh chemicals. PlumbShark 10-in-1. Why carry a toolbox when one tool can do it all? The PlumbShark 10-in-1 multi-tool combines multiple plumbing essentials into one compact, heavy-duty design. From tightening fittings to making quick repairs, it's built to save time, reduce clutter, and keep professional plumbers and DIY homeowners ready for any job. RIDGID Basin Wrench. Working under a sink has never been easier. The RIDGID Basin wrench is designed to reach hard-to-access faucet nuts with ease, delivering a secure grip and maximum leverage. Trusted by professional plumbers, this durable tool speeds up faucet installations and repairs, making frustrating under-sink jobs faster, simpler, and far more efficient. WORKPRO 6 pieces. Tool set. Every plumber needs a reliable toolkit, and the WORKPRO 6 pieces. Tool set delivers exactly that. Featuring 6 essential tools built from durable, heavy-duty materials, it's perfect for everyday plumbing repairs, installations, and maintenance. Compact, dependable, and job site ready, this versatile set helps professionals and DIY homeowners work faster, smarter, and with confidence. Force Logic Press Tool. The Force Logic Press Tool brings speed, precision, and smart technology to professional plumbing. With powerful hydraulic pressing and one-key tracking, it creates secure, leak-free connections in seconds, no soldering required. Built for demanding job sites, this advanced tool helps plumbers work faster, boost productivity, and deliver consistent professional quality results every time. Adjustable strap. Forget scratched pipes and stubborn fittings. The adjustable strap wrench delivers a powerful non-slip grip on smooth surfaces without causing damage. Perfect for plumbing repairs, oil filters, PVC pipes, and delicate fixtures, this versatile tool makes tough jobs surprisingly easy. It's one of those smart Amazon finds every plumber and DIY homeowner should have in their toolbox. Center Finder Tool. Drilling into a hidden pipe can turn a simple repair into an expensive disaster. The Center Finder tool uses powerful magnets to accurately locate metal pipes behind walls, helping you drill with confidence and avoid costly mistakes. It's a must-have plumbing tool that saves time, improves precision, and makes every installation or renovation safer and easier. HAUTMEC Tube Cutter. Cut copper pipes like a pro with the HAUTMEC Copper Tube Cutter. Its compact design fits into tight spaces, delivering smooth, precise cuts without extra effort. Whether you're tackling a plumbing repair or a full installation, this time-saving tool helps you work faster, cleaner, and with professional-level accuracy every time. Disconnect Tong. Removing PEX push-fit fittings doesn't have to be a struggle. The iCrimp CRQ01 Disconnect Tong makes disconnecting fittings fast, safe, and damage-free, even in cramped spaces. Designed for professional plumbers and serious DIYers, this compact tool saves time, protects your plumbing system, and makes every Cobra Pliers. Small in size but incredibly powerful. The KNIPEX 8700100. Cobra pliers deliver a rock-solid grip on pipes, nuts, and fittings. Their self-locking jaws prevent slipping, while the compact design reaches tight spaces with ease. Trusted by professional plumbers, these premium German-made pliers are built for precision, durability, and everyday performance. Pliers wrench. Don't let its tiny size fool you. The KNIPEX pliers. Wrench XS packs serious gripping power into a pocket-sized design. It replaces multiple wrenches while delivering smooth, damage-free clamping on nuts, bolts, and fittings. Perfect for plumbers, mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts, this compact tool is built for precision, durability, and everyday convenience. Oatey Flexible Plumber's Putty. Create a dependable, watertight seal with Oatey Flexible Plumber's Putty. Its smooth, easy-to-mold formula is perfect for sinks, drains, faucets, and other plumbing fixtures. Trusted by professional plumbers for long-lasting performance, this versatile putty helps prevent leaks and makes installations faster, cleaner, and more reliable on every plumbing project. PVC Pipe Reamer Kit. Don't replace expensive PVC pipes when you can restore them in minutes. The PVC Pipe Reamer Kit quickly removes old fittings, leftover glue, and damaged pipe ends, making pipe reuse fast and easy. Perfect for plumbers and DIY homeowners, this time-saving tool reduces material costs while delivering cleaner, more efficient plumbing repairs. RIDGID Plumbing Wrench. The RIDGID Plumbing Wrench is built to tackle tough plumbing jobs with confidence. Its versatile design provides a powerful grip on faucet nuts, supply lines, and hard-to-reach fittings, making installations and repairs faster than ever. Trusted by professionals, this heavy-duty tool delivers the durability, precision, and performance every plumber and DIY homeowner needs. Vorhixa 6-pieces angle wrench. Set, tight plumbing spaces are no match for the Vorhixa 6-pieces angle wrench set. Its angled design easily reaches behind sinks, inside cabinets, and around hard-to-access fittings, giving you maximum grip and control. Whether you're installing faucets or tightening compression nuts, this versatile set helps plumbers and DIYers finish jobs faster with less effort. X-Fitting Push. Fit connectors. Need a faster way to connect pipes? X-Fitting Push. Fit connectors snap into place in seconds. No soldering, glue, or special tools required. Compatible with PEX, copper, and CPVC pipes, they create secure, leak-free connections for quick repairs and installations. A must-have plumbing solution for professionals and DIY homeowners looking to save time. If you love discovering the best Amazon tools and game-changing gadgets, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video.